My dinner for today, guys, is wakame soba. Oh, it's my dinner for today. Wakame soba. It's so yummy. Oh, guys, tignan nyo naman. Look at that. Wakame soba. Wow. It's good. Umuusok-usok pa sa init. That is wakame soba. Japanese seaweeds soba. It's in noodles. And fish cake kamaboko. Topping with kamaboko. That is fish cake in Japan. Seaweeds noodles. Wow. That is for my dinner for today. That is wakame soba. Kung gusto nyo malaman, guys, kung paano lutuin ito, panoorin nyo na lang yung video ko. May mga na-upload ako mga video how to cook Japanese wakame soba. Lutong bahay dito, guys, ha.